Good morning to all the dignitaries, colleagues, and members of Andhra Layala Institute of Engineering Technology Alumni Association and our beloved alumni students of ECE Department. I, Shanti Kiran, Associate Professor of, would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We appreciate you taking time off your busy schedule to join us today, and we hope you will learn a lot today. Ladies and gentlemen, let us invoke the Almighty with a prayer song.
Here too,
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
To begin this program, I would like to invite Most Reverend Father Dr. A. Francis Xavier S.J., the Director of ALA, to give a message.
Good morning, respected members of the staff, and my dear young friends belonging to Andhra Loyola Institute of Engineering and Technology. You are, although you don't come to the college, but then you still belong to this college definitely. We own you, and we are extremely happy to say that you are our students. My dear young friends, on behalf of the Department of ECE, I welcome all of you gathering of our former students. Our memories remain with us, green and happy memories, of course. You may be studying, some of you, and some of you may be also working. You have entered into life, and I wish the very best for all of you, for each one of you. And as you are in life, remember the values that you learned from the college, because these values are much more important for us than our own studies. We don't greet our parents saying A plus B whole square in the morning. We tell them good morning. Similarly, we also have to look at what is happening around us. And that is what would give us real meaning in life. Therefore, I would wish that all of you, having come back to this college as students belonging to this institution, having learned and also having cherished your own values in this institution, that each one of you will try to acquire more values in life and make your life and the lives of others more meaningful and happy. So many things are happening around us. Of course, not to mention about Corona, but many other things. People who are not able to study, people who are sick, people who are unhappy, people who are lonely, people who are poor, and so on and so forth. God has given us the opportunity to study, to come up in life, which is very rare in the case of many other young people. Therefore, while thanking God for this wonderful opportunity given to us through our beloved parents who have taken care of us so much, Today, having completed your studies and working, some of you may be studying, I wish that you also remember and respect what is happening around us. God has given us the opportunity to look at what is happening around us. Let's therefore open our eyes, open our hearts, and extend our hands in order to be useful to the community, the society, to the country, and to the world. It is precisely for this God has created each one of us. It is not for the sake of living for oneself, but God has given the opportunity to live for oneself through our studies, through our job. But now He is asking us to become more useful to the universe. We belong to the universe now. We don't belong to our family or to the college, but we belong to the universe. That should give us a greater meaning and greater happiness. I wish that all of you take this message of becoming men and women of the universe in order to make this universe more meaningful, more happy. May God bless each one of you. And I'm extremely happy that you came back to this college as our former students. Have a very nice day and recall to your mind the pleasant stay in the college, and also have a enjoyable time with your friends. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your valuable words. I would like to invite Mr. M. Ramakrishna, Head, the Department of ECE, to address the gathering. Sir, unmute your phone, sir.
HOD sir, unmute yourself. Sir, now you can unmute, sir. HOD sir, you can unmute now, sir. HOD sir, now you can unmute, sir.
Mr. Ramakrishna, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, good morning, the Reverend Father Francis Xavier, the Director of Elliott. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah.
Audible.
Yes, sir.
So, and
You're
good
audible, sir.
morning, our proud alumni.
can see you. I think your camera is.
So we are very
turned off.
proud to have the alumni like you people. Maybe you fly to the various locations in search of your livelihood after the college. But we are very glad that like you never forgot us the same way from our size. The Department of ECE and Elliott always consider our alumni and the present students are our strength. We are always looking for your suggestions in upgrading our functionality and uplift the teaching standards to meet with the industry standards. Students of ECE looking for assistance in placements and technology upgrades in terms of your valuable contribution. We'll always remember you because our alumni coordinators, Shanti Kiran Garu, Mr. Rajim, and Mr. Ravi Kumar, are always in contact with the alumni and always considering their suggestions in upgrading the standards in the Department of ECE. In this regard, I want to share something with you, a proud moment. Our college is accredited with the NAC, and we are also improving our standards by applying for a NBA National Board of Accreditation soon. In this connection, we are also looking for your support like your upgradations, like where you are in the life now. Are you in the higher studies? Or you are in some profession? Please let the department know. And many of the people, those who are doing their MS in the overseas, those who are in their regular jobs, are always in touch with the alumni. And we established the Alumni Association 4 years back. We got a tremendous response. We're always informing to our valuable alumni through the Facebook updates as well as the WhatsApp messages. And we are happy that like you are respond very well with whatever the information you are looking from the department side. You are looking from us as well as the department is also responding immediately for the requirements of the alumni when you are applying for any other aspects like in a professional manner. So this is a wonderful relationship we established so far because of your responsiveness as well as the alumni coordinators. So this is the real strength to the department we can consider. So hope you'll extend the same kind of the affection as well as love and the responsibility towards your own college and department. Though we are living with the flying colors, wherever we are. So we never forget our native place and the college like where you enter into the real world. So I'm happy that like you never forgot about those 2 years. So thank you very much, one and all, those who are here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful message. I would like to request our alumni to share their valuable and memorable experience in 4 years of Elliott. Our alumni, we are requested to share your valuable and memorable experience in our college.
Madam, you give me one more minute for me.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sure,
Yeah.
sir. It's fine.
I guess most of the alumni are doing their jobs, and some of they're doing their higher studies. Even they're pursuing their higher studies in the various institutions. See, as per the syllabus of the JNTU, we are doing some work, and we are also taking some help from the various things, and just we are trying to give some workshops to the students, and we are inviting the industrial persons to upgrade our students on the uh, present running technologies and the future technologies. And why don't we utilize our alumnus in this regard? So you need not, because if you come over here to the college and address the students, that is always a welcome. But now we got a facility to address our students virtually. And you please your expertise. Please share your expertise with our students. Where we are. Some of you people are working in the software. Some of you people are working in the core sector of the ECE. And I heard many of our ECE students are also working in the banking sector. Hello. So, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. So you please, while applying for any higher studies, so what is the difficulties you are facing, the ways you are looking for to sort it out, and list of the universities, because nowadays it is very difficult to identify a better university, because a lot of mischievous things are happening in applying for the overseas universities, even in India also. So you may be experiencing something on it, and you please share with us, share with our students, then how to approach the various universities to get into it. So whatever the good experiences we have professionally, please share with our students present, your brothers there, so you strengthen them. You may face little difficulties while entering into the job, and you put some steps to them to make it a little easy. So thank you. Madam, you can continue. So our old students, like I remember the many of you, Azim is nowhere our alumni, because he's also our teacher. Tilak, Naveen, and Lakshman, Dinesh, Bharat. So many of you. Rishi is working in Bangalore. I think he might be here. Rishi Kiran, you are there? Harish, Harsha, all these I remember because. So why don't you share your experiences with us? And your expertises also, if you share with us, we'll try to contact you on a some time, and we'll just share your experiences with our students. Please share your experiences with the college.
Hi everyone, this is Tilak. It is very tough to start as the first person, but I know, but end of the day I have to start it today. That's fine. So hope everyone are doing good in this pandemic, and I have seen very good number, and I have seen lot much of my juniors who are from past outs of 2010 also joined today.
Tilak
Uh,
bro, please turn on your cam so we could see you.
we want to
It's
see
been a while
how.
though.
Okay, that's fine. I have to sit in a good posture for that. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I hope you can see me now.
You look the same.
Thank you. I got a bit tummy, that's it. Yeah. So, hi, sir. Ramakrishna Garu, how are you? I hope you're doing good.
Doing good.
Yeah.
Tilak, I want
Uh,
to share with you. I
yeah.
really enjoyed the food while attending your marriage.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And and you have seen your relative also in my marriage. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Fortunately, at the time, I met the student who is also
Yeah.
doing the business and serving the food.
Correct.
Rohit Divi.
Rohit, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even I was not aware that he is our alumni. Once you told me, I mean, Azim told me that. So he was our alumni, and he was doing the business after his BTech.
Yeah.
I haven't
Great.
know when it was initially started, the contract. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shanti, ma'am. I got this invite 2 to 3 days back, and I thought I might not join, but luckily I woke up. This is a weekend for us, so luckily I woke up and I joined today. And I have shared my experiences to our fellow students whenever I go to college. I go to each and every class of the fourth years, and I used to meet each and every person personally, and I used to share my experiences. And even now I'm getting calls from the fellow students who complete their education, who complete their BTech final year, and once they come out, they seek for suggestions from us, or not even me, the other people also. Even if they cannot connect them directly, they used to ask me, and I used to get the relevant information from the various people who work in various domains. So might be the education, higher education, might be in the banking sector, and many other things. So it was happening from past 4 years, and I hope this is the third meet we had after we started in way back in 2016. The first meet happened, and in 2018 is the second one, and 2020. So we are not missing the track, and we are doing this meet for every 2 years, and that was very good. I thought we might have missed it this year, and we were a bit late. So we used to have it in the month of August, but we had it in the month of October. That's fine because of this pandemic. It might happen, and meeting virtually, it is very good. And I heard, I mean, and I can see a decent number in a very short notice, and even that was a very good, good gathering. And apart from that, so currently, I forgot to explain you that currently I'm working for Infosys as a cybersecurity engineer in identity and access management stream. And I have around 6.5 years of experience by now. And I hope everyone are alumni only. If there are any students, they can shoot us questions, and we can answer them. And if need anything, we are open to explain, and we are open to give suggestions also. Yeah. Can I give this chance to some other alumni to talk? I'll give this one to, I can see Joshi. He might have jumped. Joshi, Joshi, you're there. Joshi?
Hi Tilak, how are you?
Yeah, doing good. How about you?
I'm doing great, Tilak. So
Yeah.
it's been well
Please
that we
take over
connected.
from me. You can continue, your views so that they'll, continue, and hand it over to some other person. So that would be very helpful rather than giving an individual chance to open up.
Okay, hi team. My name is Prabodh Joshi. I've been associated with uh, LIT in 1913. Currently, I'm working as a head of recruitments in inside INC. We deal with all the SAP and Oracles, all the ERPs, and I'm very proud and honored that I'm a part of this ALIT, because the reason being is, as most of I, Shanti madam and other people, like I am the one of the last bench student in the college. Always Father Tinies used to uh, give punishments every day to me because I am very irregular student. But now when after that's all punishments are learnings for me. I have learned a lot from that, and the reason being I joined in this meeting is I just want to share my the testimony how I changed after um, took all these punishments from other Chinese and all the lecturers, because they used to tell me all the good things, but at the time, and I used to, I didn't take that well. But after I started working, this all this discipline and other things, which learned from the college is helping me a lot. And now, trust me, I am the one of the uh, disciplined employee in my company. And also I also used to tell my whenever like a new batch is coming in, the freshers and all these things, I always bring the college name, and I told them how much I learned and all these things. But that is about my background. But I just want to have one quick question to the management. um, I don't know whether who can take this question. The question is, since the technology is evolving, the lot of new technologies came to the market, like IoT, AWS, machine learning, Python, and all these things. Are we doing any kind of trainings or anything for the the students, like the fourth year and all the other folks? Are we doing any workshops on these kind of new next gen technologies?
Yeah, Joshi.
Ramakrishna, please explain.
Yeah, Joshi. Myself, Ramakrishna, head of the department here. So we do organizing the various programs to the students here. So especially in the Python and the IoT, Internet of the Things, and we're also prepare the students on the MATLAB especially. So we try our level best to give the best technologies, the evaluation technologies now, which is required for the market, because it is not possible for every technology to be given to students. But we are trying our level best, because we are giving some orientation on the SCADA tools and the gamification, especially on the Python, what you mentioned. We are training our students in the 3 levels of the Python: basics, advanced, and the project level. I'm happy to share that, like we are giving something to the students which meets the industry standards. Yeah, Joshi.
So one point.
Besides, hello. Besides, we also have trained one of our professors from the EC department in TICS. We sent Mr. Dr. Lakshmi Narayana to Germany to be trained in robotics, and we have a lab now established, robotics laboratory, and we are also training our students in robotics as well.
Yes.
Great.
So add to
Joshi.
Ramakrishna sir, I just want to add one more point here to Joshi.
Yeah.
So Joshi is learning the technologies of different modules like IoT or Java or Python by an EC student. I hope that might be helpful after getting into an organization. But getting into an organization might not. These technologies might not be much helpful for them. So whenever I suggest the students when I go to college, I ask them to go with aptitude reasoning, those modules, and C language. Along with that, if they are very familiar with the C language, then I ask them to do only object-oriented programming, might be Java. Why? Okay. Because as a fresher, when you sit before a panel, so the questions will directly arise from C programming, the basic. And after that, if you are very familiar with that technology, and they might go with object-oriented programming. That's it. Beyond that, they might not go. Why? Because I still remember when I attended my first interview from our college, that is for the company, I forgot the name, which is in Hyderabad. I forgot the name. We initially had a first and second round in our college, and the final round we were asked to travel to Hyderabad, and we are told after the second, after the group discussion, to learn RDBMS and C. So we don't know about RDBMS. Why? Because we are from ECE background and we started learning for continuous 3 days learning RDBMS and we neglected C. Once we sat before the panel, they started asking only C questions, very basic C programming and very basic C questions. That's it. So as I suggest the people, I mean the students or the faculty who are here, try to learn them C in and out of C programming, and if they are going for a software job in and out of C programming, and if they are very familiar with C programming, I suggest them to go for Java. That's it. And if the other people who are working in software can correct me, it is subject to correction. I might be going wrong, but the experience which I had, and I'm sharing it here. That's it.
Yeah. Tilak, in this connection, our placement team is working. They're giving the training because as they're learning the C in the first year, but we do provide the training on the C language and aptitude also from the second year onwards. That's our placement team is working on it very hard.
Correct. I know that, sir. I was there,
Yeah.
so I know that the trainings and what we are having. But I was suggesting, like, rather than going to multiple technologies and deviating a student from the core. I mean, core means like the basic C or object-oriented. I mean, it will be a dilution for the candidate. So to answer the question, so they should know, but it is not mandatory to have the other technologies. That is what I have.
Okay. Yeah, Joshi, where you're working? I just missed it to hear. I heard you're working on
I'm
the
working
SAP.
currently in NSAT INC. So it's we are based out of Santa Clara, California, and we all we basically will deal with all the ERPs like SAP, Oracle, NetSuite, and other ERPs, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and all those things.
We'll
do end-to-end implementation, and I'm working as a recruitment head in that company.
That's great.
And I can send you the request in LinkedIn, sir, because I have the account. Definitely, we can connect in LinkedIn and we can send
that. You can send.
Sure.
Because we if it is because we are only much familiar with LinkedIn. I have as a professional thing, but we have. Are you there in the Elliott ECE group of the FB? Facebook?
Yes, I am there. I am part of it. Yeah.
That's right. I will contact you on that like.
Okay.
How's the things going on with you?
Yeah, things are going well as of now. This COVID didn't affected us because since most of our clients are grocers and biotechnology ones, so it is not impacted us. So things are pretty standard.
Sir, I can, if you don't mind, I want to answer to Bharat. So he raised a question or a suggestion here, if you don't mind, from your behalf.
Fine.
So I just saw him on the message. Learning the technology is the second part. I have small suggestion for the administration. Allow the students to go out and do the internship. Don't just concentrate on attendance. Attendance is very much important, but when you step out of the college, the first thing they see is the extra skills other than attendance percentage. So Joshi just now told how he was when he was in college, but once he came out of college, he got to understand what he have missed there. I hope you might have missed what Joshi have suggested, Bharat, if you don't mind. And so attendance is very much important when we are even working or when we are studying. So that is that indicates the discipline and the character we have to, and commitment we have to the job or the studies what we are doing. If we do not have them, I hope it will not end up as a character for a particular individual. Along with that attendance, as you told, the second part is technology. That is excellent. That should be there at anyway. And the internships, going out to another organization doing internships, it might not. I mean, it happens. That happens in very big, very big. Colleges somewhere, but in our Vijayawada, we do not have much scope to go outside. Like we have Effectronics, and as an ECU student, we can go to Effectronics, and apart from that, we have Doordarshan to go. but we do not have a software wing to go there and do our internships. I have seen many people coming to Infosys and doing their internship and fetching their job, but they have come from IITs or NITs. But the big organizations are not opening the gate for our colleges. That is what happening right now. And if we have a chance and we have resources to work, we can do our projects within our college itself. Even I have done a good project when I was studying in the college. I might not done everything, but at least I got an idea and I tried to implement in a huge manner. So that is one point I just want to put it here. Attendance is mandatory along with the technology is mandatory. Attendance decides the discipline of the person and the commitment of the person to particular job or anything what he is doing. Thank you.
Yeah, Tilak, like you mentioned, because we are really in search of the internships, because we are trying our level best. Even the students also finding their own ways to attending the internships. But the thing is, in the core jobs, like core companies, because in some of the companies like Intel, which is there, some of our students is, I'm happy to share some of 2018 passed outs or 2017, they placed in the Intel in the Bangalore.
Correct.
So I missed their contract, but sure, I'll find it out. Many of the students like Rishi and Sai, those Rishi, I guess like you are there in the meeting, Rishi Kumar.
Yes, sir. He's there.
Yeah. Harsha,
Yes,
you are also
yes,
there.
sir. Yes.
So we are really looking for some help in finding out the internships. That's right. You rightly mentioned, Tilak.
Okay, sure, sir.
So if you have any such kind of the contacts in providing the internships for our students,
Definitely.
please let me know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because here in the Vijayawada, we are able to get some good contacts with the Airports Authority of India, Gannavaram, as well as the Shamshabad. And we're also sending the students to the railways. And the Efetronics, as Tilak mentioned, we are using it. And Doordarshan also, we are utilizing the services of the Doordarshan for providing it. And these are all, we are limited in the surroundings of the Vijayawada, as you mentioned, as you people mentioned. But we want to send our wings to send some more good technologies to provide the good technology students. We need some assistance as well as the help from the alumni. Harsha, can you share some of your experiences while studying in Canada?
Sir, good morning. Firstly, like all the professors and my fellow grads, the alumni team, hope you all are doing great. Coming to my experiences with, so firstly to say, because all of us are like already grads, we have all our experiences. You've been in touch for a long time now. Like since the beginning, the head of the department, Ramakrishna sir, has been in touch with us. He's getting all the information. So keeping that said, firstly, I would like to appreciate you, sir, like for you being really passionate since the time I know you, being the head of the department, you've been pushing, like you've been bringing our seniors. That was the time I know Tilak also. He has a big mouth since the beginning, but you're the one who brought Tilak to us and he been telling us things. And it was such a good time at Loyola, firstly. And then I would like to see all my professors, sir. I could see no one. Everyone turned off the cams. I turned on my cam firstly. It would be good if I can see you, especially Professor and Shantikiran ma'am, Mallikarjun sir. I could see no one. So yeah, it's good to see you, sir. Hello, sir Anta.
Yeah, doing good, Harsha.
Sir,
Is the
TLN sir lera. హారిక జస్ట్ కాంటాక్ట్ చేశాను సార్, అటెండ్ అవుతానంది. తను అనుకోకుండా బయటకు వెళ్ళాల్సి వచ్చింది. ఇఫ్ షీ కుడ్ అదే ఛాన్స్ వస్తే కనుక వస్తానని చెప్పింది. సార్ టీఎల్ఎన్ సార్ లైక్ లేరా సార్ ఇప్పుడు?
ఉన్నారు బాబు, మన దగ్గరే ఉన్నారు.
ఓకే, మెకానికల్కి వెళ్ళారని చెప్పారు సార్ మొన్న స్టూడెంట్స్ వచ్చి మన దగ్గర, అందుకని.
మెకానికల్ కాదు, ఏఆర్సి అని ఒక ఫాదర్ మెన్షన్ రోబోటిక్ ల్యాబ్స్, లైక్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్ ఫర్ దట్ ల్యాబ్ ఫ్రమ్
సార్ జర్మనీ కూడా వెళ్ళారు.
he attended a course in the Germany. for 2 months.
Yeah.
Sir recently
yeah.
got his doctorate even.
Yes. Yeah, okay, sir. తెలిసింది సార్ ప్రొఫెసర్ అయ్యారు, చాలా మంచి విషయం.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Coming to the experiences, మీకు తెలిసిందే, like when compared to my study or even Rishi's, we were like very bad at academics. I mean, I could even say we were doing nothing. I got 63%, I think. Yeah, 63%. Rishi was the one who didn't even make up to 60. Rishi, you're there, right?
Please don't mention percentages.
So seriously, sir, sometimes we think, I was like completely out of everything. Like I was never like focusing on this stuff. I was like doing something. I don't know. So sometimes I believe that like once we graduated out of college,
Yeah, yeah.
like the circumstances and everything,
Rishi,
moved to a different
Rishi
thing.
will be
Yes,
the
sir, yes,
base
sir.
for us to contact the people who are there in the Bangalore. He's
Rishi,
the hub
yes,
for-
sir. So that was surprising. I feel really proud for my friend. Like Rishi was my best friend, and
Yeah.
then like once he got into the job and he made it to that point, right, sir? He was like, now he's switched to another company also. I don't know whether he mentioned it in the college. Yeah, he's with a different company and he's like everything. He's been doing good. So yes, sir, it's not like things you've been telling us many things in the college, but once we stepped out of college, also many circumstances, like there are other students in our classes who did very good at that time, but like once we came out of the college, like different things turned out into another paths. And coming to the studies wise, sir, yeah, as Tilak mentioned, also some things like aptitude and these things can help them go in any path. These should be some basic things which anyone going to any, like even pursuing higher careers or anything, they should be good with. And
Yeah,
then
Harsha, I'm sorry
yes,
for the
sir.
interruption.
Yes, sir.
Can you interact with the students of the present 5 years? Then about the opportunities in Canada. I mean, academic opportunities,
Of course, sir,
higher
I can do
studies,
that. Yeah, it can be great. But
as well as
yeah,
I am planning to call Harika regarding give light on the higher studies opportunities in Australia even.
Harika, yes, sir. Yeah, she too
Because
graduated. She
many
even
people
attended
are aware
Executive
of, because
University.
3 or 4 guys are studying in Italy, 2008, Sai Kaushik and someone, they are doing their masters in the Italy.
Italy, okay.
He already addressed our students, but once again, I'll just contact them. So
Sure,
why
sir.
don't you plan for a forum that like the people who are pursuing their higher studies in the abroad, so altogether, why don't you interact with the final year students as well as the third year students, because it will boost up their confidence levels as well as,
True.
because information always
Yes,
sharing
sir.
the information is always good for the students. They can do their own plans for higher studies based on
Of
the
course, yeah.
limitations what they have, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So
Lately, yeah.
you can I mean form like a forum for the high I mean abroad studies, like those who are there in the abroad there who are doing their pursuing their higher studies, and after that regarding the I mean maybe how to apply for the work permits or whatever it is. So
Sure, sir. Yeah, I forgot the names, but there were a couple of students whom you referred. It was like around a year back. They even contacted me. I tried to give them, enough information regarding this and
yeah,
stuff. But yeah, even if I come there, like, or if there is any platform, we'll try to make it in such a way. Yeah, if we could guide the third year and fourth year students, it's really good thing,
yeah,
sir.
virtually
Yeah,
you can, because I'll arrange some platform through the Teams, right?
sure.
Virtually you whenever you, because I know it is time zones are different, it is difficult, but like you're doing for your brothers, right? Brothers and
Of course,
sisters, whoever
sir.
it is.
It's family.
Yeah,
College
yeah,
is
family,
family.
that's
Yeah.
great.
So what else,
So
sir?
you,
Rishi. I want Rishi to say something, sir, because I feel proud for him.
yeah, okay, fine, Rishi,
Yes, sir.
Rishi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hi, everyone. I hope everyone is good in good health. So, hi, sir. Ramkrishna, sir.
yeah, hi.
Hi, sir. I like I want to discuss some things going around this industries, like our core industries. So basically, what I thought is like when I stepped out of the college, I thought of I have only one question in my mind: how I can get a job in core sector. So fortunately, I got a job and I got in placements for that some new chip semiconductors. In my initial stages, it was not good, but once I get into that company, so I found some companies where I can get through. So finally I moved from that company to some other company. So see, basically I want to discuss like, see, what we are doing is in our college and what we are doing after the college. Little bit we need some we will have some satisfaction if you are if you are doing in ECE, and if you are working in some electronics background, that gives you some satisfaction. That what that means, what we are studying in that 4 years. Now I'm working at that. Basically now what I'm working is like I'm working on some SOC project, system on chip projects. So and I'm working on ARM processor, ARM Cortex A55 processor. That means in our maybe in our fourth, I'm not sure which semester, I think so, we'll have some one subject, MPMC, microprocessor and microcontrollers. In that subject, we will study about that assembly language, and now I'm working on that assembly language. So I have some little bit of satisfaction. I'm working on those things which I have learned in BTech itself. So I want some people, at least some people, at least they try to get these jobs. They'll feel some satisfaction. But anyway, I need to agree to get a job in our core sector. It will be difficult in initial stages. Once you get into that company, you will know everything and you can learn a lot in that company, and you can go further. And literally, sir, in core sector, the opportunities will be very less, but growth is the curve will be exponential. I want to discuss with my salary. 2 years back, I worked for only 8K per month. Now I am working. My package is around 12 lakhs. See, within 2 years, previously I working with only 8,000 per month. Now it is around 1 lakh per month.
Great.
This is how this industry will be. So
More than that, I got more satisfaction. You got, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah. See, basically, it's
Sir,
not about
like,
it's not about like it's a salary satisfaction. It is about our work satisfaction. It will be there. Salary also it will be matters, but anyway, we'll after getting a job in core sector, we will feel proud like what we are doing. And if you are doing, I'm not criticizing any software jobs or something.
Is that the Neo chip software or something that help you, like that person, like who's that? You know, like I remember you guys worked for some time with the Neo chip technologies or something.
Yes, sir. Actually, that is not a company. Actually, it is to be frank, it is not a company. What he is doing is like, it is an institution. He's hiring some student, and he wants some students needs to gather. So he's using us. So we need to create some posts or something in Facebook or something to advertise. Yeah. So we didn't learn from that institution, but we got to know how we need some other institutions, how they are doing, how they are working, which one is good, anyway. I don't maybe it's not good, but it will be great, because if I didn't get that opportunity in leadership, I may not be doing this job right now. Okay. Yeah, maybe that is bad, but I'll take it as a positive way only. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
That's the good thing, sir. He got that, like both Sairam, Rishi, all of them got that opportunity from like Loyola College. They went through the placements. So one more thing which I personally noticed was when in bachelor's time, especially around third or fourth year, once they're getting to the placements, no one believes that like they could have a better career in core side. They thinks that it's okay to go with a software job because it's anyway kind of easy, or maybe I don't say easy, but it's kind of easy, sir, comparatively to get into a software job, or and no one even believes any career in core side for whatever reason, I don't know. Only like Rishi in our batch, I have seen Rishi and like very few other people who even never had marks, but they used to believe like they're learning something. But these people made it, sir. So if we can bring these people back to our juniors and show them like they were the thing, they did it. Like even Basa, he was failing like many subjects. He was having 55% something. These people were, sir, we were the ones who did nothing.
Actually,
in college.
in initial stages,
If you bring
basically-
back us and show them, for sure they will believe.
Actually, one more thing, sir. Actually, once I get into this nearship this institution, only myself only joined in that institution. After I got some confidence in this field, so I asked my friends to come and join this institution or something, because they seen my performance in terms of work or something. So they want some students like me. So I suggested in our college, I suggested some of my friends. No one considered this opportunity. So Basa Sairam trusted me, and he came to Bangalore. He don't know about anything about this company, that company or course or something. He trusted me and blindly came to the Bangalore, and he made it, and he's now doing a good job here.
Yeah, Rishi.
Yes.
Maybe after some time, after this COVID ends, like it is maybe by the December or January, we plan to come to the Bangalore. Can we arrange a meet with all the students who are settled there in the Bangalore, those who have studied in the Elliott?
Yes, sir. If it
is it possible? Because how many of the students that like they're working in the Bangalore? I heard many of them, because I have only few. Rajita is also working in the Bangalore, I heard.
Yes, sir. Yes, and now she's working. Now she's working around. I don't know, sir. He's working around the nearby Maharashtra. She's not in Bangalore.
Sorry to disturb, sir. That I can do it. Bangalore, this Harish from 2010 passed out.
Harish.
People meet, I can do it. Yeah.
Harish. Sure.
That I can arrange, sir. I can correct the people working in Bangalore.
Your which batch, Harish? I'm sorry.
2010.
Sorry, 2010 to 14 passed out, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, Harish. Like I'll be in touch with you, because you share your contact with either Shantikiran madam or with me. Then we will plan to arrange a meet, because we need some support from the cities like Hyderabad and Bangalore, if possible in Mumbai. We can suggest our students, because it's not that like you have to give some shelter and job or something like, because you give them some support in search of the jobs or something else like this.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'll do it. I think many people know me as with my number B1. Mallikarjun sir and Shantikiran ma'am know me with my number.
They know your number, right? Okay.
Okay, sir. Then I'll do my part. Harish probably do his part, and maybe we will work. Yes.
Because
sorry for
Harish may know the 14th batch and some 15th batch, but like after that, like you know pretty well that your juniors, Rishi, I guess, right?
Yes.
So because you both will be in touch with in the Bangalore, like you just gather the people who are there.
Okay, sir.
We will just arrange some part of the hotel or somewhere else. Like we'll meet, right? The same way, I need some contacts. I need the person's contacts who are working in the Hyderabad, and especially, I want some information regarding those who are doing their own business and as an entrepreneurs, either technically, non-technically. Anybody? Yeah. Divi.
Sorry
Rohit, Divi.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Sorry for the interruption. Father Chiranjeevi has joined. May I invite Father Chiranjeevi the Assistant Director of ALIET, to speak about the meet.
Okay. Good morning, Father.
Sir, you continue the meet, sir. I think Father is busy with some work.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, again, sorry for the interruption. Like, because we are really looking for some those who are doing their own business. Because as I studied in the CRD, because job is one way, the many of the people who
Can
turned
you
out
hear,
as an
ma'am?
entrepreneur. Yeah, yeah. Sir, Father, you can continue.
Father, okay, Father. Please speak about the meet. Hello? Sir, you continue, sir.
Yeah, fine. Any one of you know that, like, who's be an entrepreneur in our group, in our students? Yeah, am I audible? Harsha, do you have anyone know that, like, how? Because I know
Sir,
only
as
one guy.
of now, I have no idea, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, but no one from our batch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Divi is not from your batch. Is it your junior? Rohit Divi is a lean guy.
I'm not sure, sir.
But I want someone like those who. Yeah. Okay. Fine. No issues. Yes. Tilak, like anybody, because the chances are more for the 13 and 14 batches.
Sorry, sir, I actually haven't hear you. Can you please let me know what was the question?
Yeah, because anybody turned as an entrepreneurs.
Okay, so there is Balakrishna here, Balakishore, sorry, from 2014 batch, if I'm not wrong.
Balakishore.
He might have left or something like that. Let me check, sir. Yeah, he left. He left the conversation, but he joined. I have seen him join.
Balakrishna. Okay,
Yeah,
Balakishore.
Balakishore. He was Balakishore. Bisa
Yeah,
Balakishore
I'll take the
from
phone number of him. Like, I'll contact you. Like,
Yeah.
I'll just contact him. Please
Okay.
share his contact number.
Yeah, I'll do it, sir. I have it.
Okay. Because we are also looking for some entrepreneurs. Like, we can invite them to the meet and to address our students as well as.
Sure, sir.
We are very glad that, like, we have some entrepreneurs in our batches. For 2014, almost 8 batches we have gone, almost
Correct.
6, right?
Yeah, there are people. He owned a factory in Ajit Singh Nagar area. I spoke with him very recently, and I'll definitely get in touch with you, sir, with his number.
Who's that? Balakishore?
Balakishore, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, sir. He's my friend. Actually, he's my best.
Correct. Harish, you have his contact now. You can share it with him, with sir.
Yeah, sure, sir. I'll do it.
Okay.
Actually, he's my best friend.
Thank you, Harish. So, Tilak, my intention is, like, we will establish some alumni association or something in the. I mean, the people are settled around in a number of the tens, like they are in, some people are working in the Bangalore, some people are working in the Hyderabad. Like
Yes, sir.
we have to had a contacts of all them. Like we'll just share with the college. We can suggest the students to contact so and so, because based on their specializations they're interested. Only we the people who are seeking for a help.
Correct.
So how is the idea? Like, because if
That was,
the students
that was a
feel
good
that
idea,
like
sir. As you opened a form for this alumni meet, Google form, I have seen that it was very straight and simple. In that, if you can mention one or two columns like LinkedIn profile, so that they'll share the profile link there, and if someone needs it, they can just click there and they can reach out to us very immediately. And if we can provide our email address as well. I hope it was there already in that column. So these are the things. So it would be very helpful for them, and that was a very good idea as well. Even I'm getting, I was talking with few other juniors who had recently passed out. Chanakya, he went to Bangalore. He got a job in Core, and he went there last week. Last week, 24th.
Yeah, I heard
Yeah.
the Chanakya is working, because some of the 2 or 3 students of the recent
Yes.
passed outs,
Correct.
they're working
So
in
I
Bangalore.
spoke with them. They are in touch with me. So in that way, so it might not be the sole proprietor here. I don't want to take that. And if I can share it with n number of people, that would be very helpful for a lot many people, not a single resource. I mean, single student.
Right.
Yeah, that we will do, sir. That is a good idea.
Tilak, like
Sir,
I
we'll
want
do
to.
through Aleta, sir. We have association, Aleta.
Association, Aleta.
Yeah,
Okay.
association. So through that Aleta, we can do everything, sir.
Yeah. Tilak, like, are you in Vijayawada, or are you somewhere like?
Vijayawada, sir. I'm in Vijayawada. I'll
You're
definitely
working
meet
from
you.
home, right?
Yeah. I'm working from home for past 6 months.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
I'll definitely meet you, sir. I'll come there. I hope the college was started for at least professors.
Yeah. We are working since 2 months. Like, no issues.
Okay,
You can contact us. You can
Yeah.
come.
Sir, we can
Tilak,
also arrange a cricket match, sir. We can do it by social distance. Last
We'll-
time I missed it, sir.
Yeah. The fortunate the thing is, we are doing this cricket match from the last 4 or 5 years. They don't have the respect on the teachers here. They won this batch. Yeah.
That's true.
Huh?
I missed it.
Not your batch. Like it's not that
Yeah.
like old alumni. The fresh batch. అది భయం లేదు వాళ్ళకి తెలుసా అలా ఓడిచ్చారు.
I'll choose that. I have seen
2020 passed outs present. నీ ఫ్రెండ్ చాణక్య
చూసాను.
వాడు నిజంగా చాణక్యుడే. వాళ్ళ వైపు భలే కుట్ర చేసి ఓడిచ్చాడు మమ్మల్ని.
నేను చెప్పాను సార్, అట్లా పెట్టద్దు పాపం, వాళ్ళు ఒక్కరిని వదలొద్దు, మీరు అందులో కలవండి అని చెప్పాను ఆ రోజు. బట్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ షూర్.
I'm just kidding. Fine. We enjoyed that match.
Have a match again. There is a possibility, and already college was started and people are gathering. So at least before college starts, as a full college start ayyerappudiki, like oka Saturday we can play a game, sir.
That's right. Yeah. Sure.
Father permission iyali. He is there in the call.
Yeah, definitely. No issues. Like we will just contact with the father.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you plan, because you try to make it as organizingly that like we had to create some platforms in the various cities, because finally the students has to go to the various cities to do their jobs, right?
Correct.
So if the juniors feel that like they will get some support while going to that city, so for sure like it will boost up their confidence level. They feel they may feel a little better than that, like without knowing anyone.
True. I'll involve the people who are there in US, sir. I have a few people working in US already. I have already told you last time when I met you, but I haven't get a chance to, why? Because we do not have a platform at that time. Right now we have a platform, and if there is a chance to gather those people and set up a call, that would be very helpful. I'll pull those people. And I have one more guy in Canada who is not working, but he completed his studies there. Who went very recently after working here, and I can pull him as well in the same call. And already Harsha told that he will join from Canada, and you told some other girl who is studying from Australia, and that would be very helpful if we can gather all the people in a one call, and we'll plan, sir, at least by next weekend or something like that.
Yeah, fine. Because we will gather, like, because we can plan to meet the people in the cities and the other things, like in weekly once, like I mean, Quorum, Hyderabad team toti, అలాగా అలా మనం ఏమన్నా మీట్స్ ప్లాన్ చేయొచ్చాము ఒకసారి చూస్తాను నేను.
అది కూడా చేద్దాం సార్.
అలా ప్లాన్ చేస్తే కంటిన్యూస్ విల్ బి ఇన్ ద కంటిన్యూస్ టచ్ విత్ దెమ్, దెన్ వీ కెన్ ఎనేబుల్ సమ్ యాక్టివిటీస్.
Definitely. But ఏంటి అంటే ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ ఎ POC దేర్ సార్. At least for Bangalore, now Harish took a chance, like he will definitely look for Bangalore people from his batch. So in such way, if we can put POCs for each batch, and there will be at least 10 people by then. Why? Because 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, almost 9 batches came out right now. And we'll have 9 POCs from Bangalore, 9 POCs from Hyderabad, big places. And so in that way, like we can arrange POCs and we can pull the people and we can have the meetings. At least we'll start arranging the POCs at that particular location for that particular batch, and that would be very handy.
Yeah, we'll do that, right?
Yeah.
Fine.
So we have a anchor in the call, Rupa. We haven't spoke anything. I hope she is working.
So meanwhile, please fill the feedback form. It is posted in chat box.
Shanti ma'am, hope you are doing good.
Thank you, Dilek. So we'll call Prashant to speak something. He is in research side. Sai Prashant.
Yeah, Prashant.
Yeah, he is in research study. He is doing my MTech in Madras University.
Yeah, integrated PhD, I know.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sai Prashant. Pranit's brother, I know as
yes,
a Pranit.
Brother.
The father knows him very well. Has a Sastry sir's son.
Grandson, I think so.
Grandson? Yeah. Sastry sir is a Telugu professor in the Andhra Laila College, right?
So Prashant? Yes, sir.
Yeah. You are there, Prashant?
Prashant?
Okay, he was not
I
there.
think just now he left the call. Just now I think he left the call. Let me pull.
Okay.
Please fill the feedback form, sir. Please tell him to fill the feedback form.
Ramya, can you share some of your experience? Because can you introduce yourself? Ramya, I can see Ramya as a guest over here. Kumar as well as
Bharat is there, sir.
Bharat, you're not shared anything. Bharat Kumar Reddy. Bharat is a CR, no? Right, I guess?
Yes, sir. I was here.
Bharat, you didn't open your mouth here. Come.
Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Good afternoon. Sorry. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, Bharat.
Good. I hope everyone are doing well.
Bharat, you have not changed your characteristics. Still, you are reserved.
In which way, sir?
You are always compliance with the same attendance.
Yeah, that's a very important thing, sir. Because whenever you step out of the college, it gives some weightage to your resume. See, the thing is like, I'm working right now in an organization, and if I have some kind of internship when I was studying, that would have helped me a lot. However, I'm good with what I am right now.
Okay.
I'm working in Chennai.
Oh, you're working with Chennai now?
Yeah.
Had you higher studies after that? Like you directly entered the job?
Actually, I tried for higher studies and
yeah, I know.
I got the college, but by that time I have joined in the organization, and for second time I have applied, and I have got the admission letter again, but due to this pandemic, I stopped everything, and right now I'm sticking with the job.
Okay, you're continuing in the job,
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Which organization you are working?
I'm working in HCL.
HCL. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Good to know, Bharat, after a long time. You're not changed yet anything. So how is the Sai
Yeah.
Kaushik like? Because I wasn't able to contact him. I know he is in India.
Yeah, he's in India, and actually he's doing his thesis, master thesis.
Yeah.
So he's busy with that, and maybe in under 1 month, even he will start his career in job.
Okay. So how's the other mates of yours? How many of are you in contact with anyone else of your batch?
Yes, Prashant. Right now he's working as I mean he's doing his what?
MTech.
Yeah, MTech in Chennai,
I
Madras
know.
University. And whenever there is a time, we used to meet. And Naveen is in Pune. He's working as a software engineer, and right now he's in Vijayawada. He came from there. And Kaushik, Kalyan, Akhil, they were doing their masters. I think both Kaushik and Kalyan, both Kishore and Kalyan has completed.
Kishore, he is doing his masters from the UK, I guess, right?
Yeah, he's doing his masters from both. Three of them were doing from the same college.
Who's that? Akhil?
Akhil, Kaushik, Kishore and Kalyan.
Kalyan, Gur Kalyan, right? There.
Yeah.
So Kaushik is from the Italy, right? I know.
Yeah, I mean, in another 2-3 months, he will complete his MBA.
Okay.
And he will start as a HR, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. I guess like you have the contacts of this Akhil, Gur Kalyan, and Kishore, right?
Yeah, I mean, I have their Indian numbers.
That's fine. I just, because otherwise you share their email IDs or FB, we will just contact them. I guess like Mr. Koteswara Garu is having this IDs with them.
Yeah,
No
he
issues.
is. Koteswara sir is having all the IDs.
Yeah. So how's the things going with you?
Yeah, right now pretty good and pretty bad because I mean, when we are in the organization, we used to work around 4 to 5 hours. But now, when we are doing from home, right, we need to be there for 9.5 hours.
Yeah. This is the same problem. Even though my friends are seniors in the various organizations, they are also facing the same problem.
Yeah, sitting here doing job, it's little tough, but we have to do it right. We don't have any other choice.
Right. So any of your batchmates, like remember you just given some 5-6 members. So you said like Naveen is in Vijayawada.
Yeah, right now Naveen is in Vijayawada.
Okay.
And
Hello,
he's
sir.
in the call.
He's in the call?
Yeah, he's Naveen Naughty.
Yeah, Naveen Babu.
Yes,
Naveen,
sir.
can you respond?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
How are you, sir? It's a long time.
Yeah, doing good, Naveen. You show me a video because I'm sorry that I couldn't able to recognize the faces. Bharat, many times he come with the quarrel to me. They say I remember him.
Okay.
You turn on your video, we can able to see you. That's right, Naveen. Yeah.
So how is sir? I'm following you in Facebook. Every
Facebook,
day.
right?
I used to see your pictures and liking everyone like it. And so how are you, ma'am? Shanti, ma'am. Ravi, sir. So right now I'm working as a software engineer in Mindtree Limited.
Yeah, good.
Yeah. So I'm working in Pune. So due
Okay.
to this pandemic, I came to home to Vijayawada back.
So which platform you are working, Naveen?
Right now, I'm working on automation side.
Automation.
Automation, like I used to started my career as a operation side, like CRM. We call it as a Microsoft project. Right now, I'm working for Microsoft project. Now I moved to automation side. But my interesting domain is security. So right now I'm pursuing it along with my job.
Okay.
I hope by next year I'll move to my favorite domain, security.
Security. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Like
any possibilities to share your experience with your juniors, right? Because because anyhow you are there in the Vijayawada, either you can you can connect with them for the 5 years virtually.
Okay.
Can I plan any seminar or 1 hour session or with them, like, because if you're prepared and if you have some.
Sure, definitely.
Yeah, fine. Then Naveen, can you share your contact number so that like we'll arrange something?
Definitely, sir. I'll message in this
Right.
group chat.
You can mention in the chat box, like we'll take
Correct.
it.
Correct.
Right. So who's this B9? Because 10 HP 1A0 4B9.
B9.
10 HP 14th pass out, I guess.
That is 2014 pass out, sir.
Yeah.
Vinod B9.
Okay.
I think you might remember him as a rebel candidate.
Rebel candidate, okay. Lakshman?
Right now I'm speaking now. Right,
Yeah, you are Lakshman. Right. I'm sorry.
499.
Okay.
499. Hi, Shanti ma'am.
Hi, Lakshman. How are you?
I am fine. So this meeting was so official, father and song and.
Yeah, the planning is quite good by Shanti Rinder.
No, I mean to say it feels official, so I don't know. People will open up freely. And also, if you just have one suggestion, because already Tilak bro spoke about this IT side, Python and all, so I'm not going to go there. Just one suggestion, sir. If we are serious about alumni, then I mean, do you have a database where you have all the contacts of all your old students and what they are doing now? Based on
that's what we are trying, Lakshman. We just trying to form such a data, because we are collecting from the last 3 batches of their contacts and other things.
Last 3 batches will be on a junior level.
We need some help, because if for each batch or each section, like if somebody take such an initiative and if you update us, because you need some help from the college side to get the contacts. We're also ready, because after spreading the students in the various places, it is a little difficult from the college side even.
Yeah.
Lakshman, you are from which batch?
We need some support as well as some information from the students' side itself, like alumni side itself. Because we are very serious. We formed an alumni association later, college level.
Okay. Because the reason I'm speaking is because I don't know that this alumni exists till last week.
So that's what Lakshman, you are from which batch actually?
Tilakana, the juniors here.
Junior. EC1 na EC2 na?
EC2 here.
EC2. Lakshman. Yeah.
మీ EC2 సాయి కృష్ణ ఉన్నాడు కదా మీ క్లాస్ లో, బాలకిషోర్, సాయి కృష్ణ, వీళ్ళందరికీ లాస్ట్ 2 అల్యూమినీ మీట్స్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారు. మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రావట్లేదు అంతే.
This time I saw in WhatsApp group. our WhatsApp group.
Correct. So Sai Krishna, I was in touch with. Why? Because I have contacts of Sai Krishna, Balakishore, Harish. Harish also I spoke with him in 2016 when we started the first meet. If I am not wrong, Harish, do you remember? If you are there, I hope he left.
Yeah, there. Correct.
Yeah, so అప్పటి నుంచి ఉంది లక్ష్మణ్. సో లైక్ ఏంటి అంటే కాంటాక్ట్స్ మీ క్లాస్ లో వాళ్ళు మీరు కూడా కాంటాక్ట్ లో లేరు అనిపిస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు. రీజన్ అదనమాట, అంతకుమించి ఏం లేదు. సో బీ ఇన్ టచ్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు సిఆర్వై ఉండి నువ్వు వెరైటీగా చెప్పావు, దట్స్ ఇట్, దట్ బియాండ్ నథింగ్. సిఆర్వి నువ్వు ఇనిషియేట్ తీసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్. ఎందుకంటే మా క్లాస్ దానికి ఇప్పుడు మా బ్యాచ్ వరకు టోటల్ 66 పీపుల్, 64, 2 people వేరే కాలేజెస్కి వెళ్ళిపోయారు అప్పట్లోనే. సో 64 people కాంటాక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి మా దగ్గర, అండ్ వీఆర్ ఇన్ టచ్ విత్ దెమ్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ డే. వాట్సాప్లో కానీ ఫేస్బుక్లో కానీ ఏదో విధంగా టచ్లో ఉన్నాం. సో అలాగా మెయింటైన్ చేస్తే, సో వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ మీట్ లైక్ దిస్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ షేర్ ఇట్ విత్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఏ సింగిల్ థాట్. సో దట్ వాజ్ నాట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. సో అదే ఇప్పుడు చెప్తుంది సార్ ఏంటి అంటే ఇనిషియేటివ్ తీసుకోవాల్సింది మనమే. కాలేజ్ తీసుకునే దానికి ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. సో దే విల్ జస్ట్ రీచ్ టు one person.
I'm not saying college has to take initiative. So no one will ask college to take initiative. No, I'm just saying that, I mean, I was just saying, like, Sari is asking about, having different people from different fields to speak.
Correct.
But that information, we can maintain as on a personal level. If college has a portal where it tracks, like, what
that what Lakshman, అదే చెప్తున్నాను నేను. లాస్ట్ టైం జరిగిన మీట్స్ కి వచ్చి ఉంటే గనక there was a form which we already filled and we have given the details. Not even the people who are there in the meet, but also the people who haven't attended the meet. మా దగ్గర కాంటాక్ట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మా దగ్గర డీటెయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంటే ఇచ్చేసాను.
Hello.
Sorry, Xavier sir, please.
What we want is this, namely, supposing, for example, you are able to give us the number of your classmates. You are saying 64 are there, and the college certainly will maintain. Then we will be able to send all the information to everybody. No problem at all. We are really finding it difficult to get the numbers of the students. So if you can give us all the 64 numbers, we will certainly preserve them and give all the information to the students. Definitely.
Yeah, it was there, Father, with Ramakrishna sir and Shanti ma'am. We already shared it with them.
Yes, Father, we have, and we are maintaining on Facebook also, Father.
Thank you. Also, their studies or where they are working and so on and so forth, that is more important.
Yes, Father.
Then, of course, we can ask them to talk to our students on any topic necessarily. Thank you.
Thank you.
And one more thing is, maybe your numbers and your contacts are changed, but the college contact has not changed. But if you drop your call to the
Sir,
college,
every time we are giving invitation and all to Facebook, sir.
That's
we are posting invitation. We are giving information to the students.
Yeah. So mostly,
but anyhow, we'll maintain, sir, everything.
This meet will help us because we got some good suggestions from the students, our alumni. That like so.
Definitely, we'll establish, sir. Through Aleta, we can do everything.
Yeah, like 1 or 2 contacts we'll take from each section, their CRs, and just we'll gather all the phone numbers of them. Then through them, like we'll make a calls to each student, and we'll gather their information.
My focus was like, no, the reason I mentioned this because it's about what they are doing, right? Like, if you have the information about what they are doing, you can segregate them based on their profession and target the
right, Lakshman. Right.
Sure.
You rightly said.
Sure, sir.
I think we really seriously thinking about Harish is also helping us, like in establishing something in the Bangalore, right?
Sure.
So yes, for sure, like we will make it sure within a month time we will concentrate on it to establish some platforms in the Bangalore, Hyderabad, because Naveen is also working in Pune, right?
Correct. So as if we have the initial set of contacts for 2009 to 13 batch, sir, in the same way, if it is good, like Lakshman is the CR of 2010 to 2014 batch, if you can gather all the information and give it to college, they can seriously come in touch with each and every person, right? So Lakshman, as you are a CR, you can initiate that and you can share the details of your class.
Right.
Can you do
Yeah.
that for college?
No,
Yeah,
yeah. He'll take. You give
yeah,
him some time. He
Yes.
definitely will do that.
okay. So
Yeah.
Tilakana, so I'm also in Infosys. Where are you working? Hyderabad.
Hyderabad Infosys amma cheppu.
I think Harish also in Hyderabad. Infosys only.
Which Harish? Mana Harish?
Yeah,
Harish.
నేనే అన్నా
Sejja?
ఇన్ఫోసిస్ కూడా
Sejja?
నేను బెంగళూరులే బెంగళూరు హైదరాబాద్ కాదు.
Bangalore. Okay.
నేను చెన్నై
We
అన్నా.
join అయ్యి 1 year అవుతుంది. So that too in Sedge, Hyderabad, Pocharam.
Actually, if now Infosys curriculum also changed. They removed Java from the foundation program and introduced Python. So
Okay.
yeah, and Infosys data science wing is growing. I mean, it's huge leaps. So
Cybersecurity is very much growing right now in Infosys, along with that Python and the data science and data analytics, everything. Even my cybersecurity wing is developing very fast. I have seen a rapid change in past 1 year. And the other organization doesn't have a wing as cybersecurity. They used to be in the cloud infrastructure only. The department used to be incorporated in the CIS, cloud infrastructure.
CIS got divided. Yeah.
Yeah, now it got divided, and there is lot much of dependency on cybersecurity all over the Infosys. So we have very good projects. So everything is going good. Nothing was stopped. Everything is going good. Even the pandemic haven't touched anything. Like there are companies where they lost jobs, like Accenture or Deloitte. There were lot many people lost their job. That might be we are not sure. They might be different criteria. They might not be performing or anything else. But even in this situation, people are getting jobs. Like I got 2 jobs in this pandemic, but I haven't moved. I just want to continue in Infosys itself. In the same way, people are getting jobs even in this pandemic. There is nothing to blame with the company. Just like we need to get a correct opportunity and a good time to enter into an organization. That's it.
Vijay is available, right? Can you respond, Vijay? Rupa P. Bomana. So many of them are become spectators, like not.
So Rupa is
sharing
actually in bank, sir. She is working right now, and just she is listening. She cannot answer.
Oh yeah, Rupa is she is your badge, I guess. Like I heard she is working for a
Yeah.
bank or something.
Yes, SBI. She
Yeah,
works
I
for
know.
State Bank of India.
I know. Okay.
She don't want to miss the meeting, so she joined, but she cannot
Okay.
answer. She is in the
Right. No
front end.
issues.
Yeah.
Bhavya. Good morning, Bhavya. Okay. Yeah, madam.
Sir, shall I close the meet, sir?
Yeah. Please.
Okay. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the management, head, Department of PCE, members of LATER, our beloved alumni who have spent their valued time with us. I'm really proud and happy to have you as a part of Elliott, and we always be in our hearts. It is great pleasure for us to have such a talented young minds as our alumni. I thank you very much for your active participation in this program. I hope you enjoyed the program. Thank you, one and all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father. And thank you, my former students. Thanks for the meet.
Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.